morning to all. I hope all are doing well and studying properly, isn't it? Today we are going to learn a new lesson. It's a poem. The name of the poem is The Letter. The Letter. Margaret G. Rhodes is the poet of the poem The Letter. What does mean by poet? Yes, poet is the person who writes a poem. Okay. This poem is about a letter. This poem is about a letter. And all we know that what's a letter. Have you ever written a letter? If not, you just try. Okay. A letter is a message which are write on a paper and sent to our dear ones. Okay. Firstly, I will recite the poem. Okay. All of you listen carefully. If you listen carefully. Okay. I am writing a letter to send by the post. It is to the person I care for the most. I write the date clearly and put the address and begin, dearest mummy. Did anyone guess? My pen travels slowly all down the long sheet because I am so anxious to keep it all neat. I carefully blot it to dry up the ink, such a nice blotting paper. The color is pink. I turn the page over and goes my pen till lastly come kisses. There is just room for 10. The envelope is ready. I put the stamp on and run to the post box. And now it has gone. Did you like this? I hope all of you like this poem. It is a very beautiful poem. In this poem, a little girl is writing a letter. And she is writing a letter for the person she cares for the most. She has written the date very clearly and she put on the address also. And she started the letter with, dearest mummy. That means she is writing the letter to her dear mother. Okay. Her pen travels very slowly. Her pen travels slowly because she was very careful that she wanted to write a letter in a very clean and neat manner. She doesn't want to blot it. And she was waiting for the ink to dry up. Because that's such a nice blotting paper. What's the color of that paper? Yes, the color of that paper is pink. It's very beautiful. She turns the page over and then she started writing in the next page as well. Till lastly, she put some kisses. But after writing the letter, there was space for only 10 kisses. There was space for only 10 kisses. Now the letter is ready. She put the letter into the envelope and she puts the stamp on. And she ran to the post box. She ran to the post box. Now the letter has gone to her mother. I hope all of you enjoyed this poem. Isn't it? Yes. So, all of you recite the poem very loudly by the help of your mother. And do one thing. All of you try to write a letter to your dear mother and tell her everything which you feel for her. Okay? Promise? Yes. Okay, that's all for today. Take care. Thank you. Have a nice day.